we have over 60 engineers in R&D for aftermarket. So first we get a bike, or we get CAD or 3D scan of the bike, and then we have two possibilities. Or we develop the exhaust on the bike, we develop as a prototype, we do testing on the dyno, on the track, get the feedback from riders as well, and then we start preparing tools, technical process and so on in order to launch the exhaust on the aftermarket. So we have a very close cooperation with Yamaha, Suzuki and KTM teams, where we work hand in hand with each other in order to provide the best possible exhaust to the riders. The evolution is not just about the titanium, so it's very important what kind of alloy we use, especially what kind of alloy for certain part, for headers, for sleeve, because it's not the same alloy for each part of the system. The second thing is the production itself, where needs to fit perfectly. Every weld is important, the internal configuration is important. And then the third thing is the power delivery, because with the off-road maybe more important to provide a smooth power delivery in low or mid RPM range. Developing new configurations, better configurations, is practically ongoing process. It never ends, because even when you develop something better, there's still even better possibility for the future. We always want to bring the racing experience to the customers, so to aftermarket products. In some cases, our aftermarket product is very, very similar to the product that is in use for the racing team, so that the customers can get as similar and as close as possible copy of the product that we are using for the racing team. What is interesting is that most people think that we mostly get the championship titles with the road bikes. However, if we now count all the titles, which are now 118, more than half of them are with off-road bikes.